Hey, Wes here with Traveling Foodie Warriors here in Orlando, Florida at Disney Springs. We're in front of Jock Lindsey's Hangar Bar. It's an Indiana Jones inspired bar, so there's a lot of props and memorabilia that have slight nods to the Indiana Jones films. So we're gonna go inside, get some drinks, get some food, and have a good time. Let's go! Jock Lindsey is actually the pilot in Raiders of the Lost Ark that takes Indiana Jones away from the Hovitos in the very beginning when he's getting the spears thrown at him and the darts. So he gets in the plane and takes off. So that is actually Jock Lindsey. We just ordered some food and some drinks. I got the Wrong Island as a drink. We also got the chicken on the egg. Is that what you call it? Is that right, babe? Did I call it the right thing? Basically, it's a deviled egg with little fried chicken pieces with like a honey, like hot sauce on it. And we also got the chips and queso. I know there's another fancier name for that, but I don't remember what it's called.
Queso Fundido.
Yeah, that.
We just got our food, well, some of our food and our drinks. Now, I got my favorite drink, which is the Reggie's Revenge. It kind of tastes like a sweet tart. It's really good though. I love it. Super refreshing, a great summer drink. So cheers to that. Then we got the Margherita Flatbread. They say it's shareable, but really one person can eat this, especially if you're hungry. I love the crust on this. It's just light and crispy with enough mozzarella cheese, and then you got the basil, the balsamic, and the tomatoes on there.
Good.
That was really good. And then we got the Dr. Astorga's Queso Fundido. And this is a big hit at Jock Lindsey's. So good. It's cheesy. It's got the salsa on there. It's really creamy. You can taste the spices in it, but just such a good queso. And these chips are really good too.
All right, so we got the chicken on the egg. A deviled egg with it's a fried chicken. It's like a honey hot sauce. So let's see how they are. They're really good. They're very good. A little bit of heat, but mostly sweet. So I'm going back for my second one. Get a little close up of it.
Jason is probably 4 to 5.
Those are delicious. You got if you love deviled eggs, got a really good deviled egg. Plus you got a crispy fried chicken. It's fried very, very well. And it's like a sweet sauce with just a little bit of spice to it. So you got the crunch, you got the sweet, the salty. So it's hitting on all cylinders. Chips and queso.
Where's them all the time? Real big, thick ones.
I mean, you can't really... The bar fight, sorry. Can't really mess up chips and queso. So this is my drink.
I have to get another private investigator.
It's called a Wrong Island.
So what was wrong with the
I don't know exactly what's in it, so I'll post that on the screen. It might be called the Wrong Island, but it's the right drink. This was really good, just in case you were wondering. All right, I'm gonna take you on a tour real quick here and show you all of the Indiana Jones Easter eggs that at least I know about. So we'll start over here. First one, right here. Pancop Palace. This was in Indiana Jones and the Temple of Doom. That's where they stayed, that's where all the shenanigans happened. All right, next one, this way. Where is it? There it is. The medallion, right there from Raiders of the Lost Ark. Hiding in there. Right there. All right, next one. There's Jock Lindsey, obviously. Next one's over here. So this one, the voodoo dolls from Temple of Doom, right up there. All right. And the next one, the big tamale, back this way. This next one's kind of hard to see, but it's the idol from the beginning of Raiders of the Lost Ark, and it's actually hiding right up there. The last Easter egg that I know about is the Ark of the Covenant, and rumor has it this is from the Great Movie Ride when they took it out, and it is located right up here.
I have to show you my favorite Easter egg of Jock Lindsey's Hangar Bar, and that is because I'm a huge Star Wars fan, and you know, George Lucas did Indiana Jones and Star Wars, so here it is, none other than R2-D2. Oh. Just finished an incredible experience here at Jock Lindsey's Hangar Bar at Disney Springs. We had some really good tapas. We had some really great cocktails. It's one of our favorite places to hang out. Hubby, what have you got to say?
Well, if you're looking for fortune and glory, look no further. It's right here at Jock Lindsey's Hangar Bar. Good food, good drinks, a really chill atmosphere. If you love Indiana Jones, you'll love this bar. Wifey and I have been here several times, but this is the first time we've vlogged about it. And check out the little Easter eggs in there. Maybe you'll find one that we haven't seen. And if there is one that you know about that we don't know about, comment below and let us know so we can check it out next time. If you liked our video, please help us out, like, comment, and subscribe.
It's time to say goodnight, but we've had an amazing day. We've had some great food. We hope you've enjoyed our videos. Peace out, everyone. Have a good night.
Hey, Wes here with Traveling Foodie Warriors in Disney Springs at Jock Lindsey's.
What is it with the trash cans around us today?
Trash cans and coolers and movable things.